Okay, team. Okay, yesterday we were discussed about introduction. What are the JDK features we are going to discuss? One is introduction. Another one is Lambda expression. Inside of this Lambda expression, what is Lambda expression? How to write Lambda expressions? Another one is we are going to discuss some functional interfaces. What is the need of these functional interfaces? What is the importance of functional interface? And what are the user defined functional interfaces and predefined functional interfaces are there? And we are going to cover around 9 predefined functional interfaces. What are the default methods and what are the static methods and what are the method reference operator? We are going to discuss about 30 stream API operations. What is stream API? Collections versus streams, internal versus external iterations, intermediate version terminal operations. What are the operations? These many stream API operations we are going to discuss. These many stream API operations we are going to discuss. And what is optional classes? What is the goal of this optional class? So what are the methods there inside of the optional class? How to check all these optional classes team. Ninth one, completable feature is one of the new one in JDK8. It is used to asynchronous programming. How to implement it. After that, new date and time. After that, you'll take one real-time project, how to migrate your JDK8, from legacy code to. You have legacy code is there, you have traditional code is there. If traditional code is required, 100 lines, 200 lines, 300 lines code is there. How to migrate this traditional code into your JDK8, JDK8 1.8 features team. That's what we are going to see here. After that, FAQs team. Now here see. If you see here, most of the JDK8 famous features are stream API stream. How many methods are there inside of the stream API? 31 methods are there inside of the stream API. Operations are methods. 31 methods are there inside of the stream API. These 31 methods, if you want to work on 31 methods, all these methods are predefined methods. All these methods are predefined methods. Every method has an argument. Every method is an argument. These arguments are predefined functional interfaces arguments. These arguments are predefined functional interfaces arguments. That means stream APIs internally will use internally will use functional interfaces. If you don't know this functional interfaces, if you don't know this functional interfaces, you can't understand these stream APIs. You can't understand these stream APIs. That's why before you start your learning of stream API, you should be strong on functional interfaces. Before you strong on stream API, you should be call on functional interfaces. The main goal of this functional interfaces is using functional interfaces. Using functional interfaces. Functional interfaces are used to reduce the to reduce the number of lines code, to reduce the number of lines code team. Functional interfaces are used to call lambda expressions, to call lambda expressions team, to call lambda expressions team. Functional interfaces are used to call Lambda expression team. So to use this Lambda expressions, to use this Lambda, see, to use this functional interfaces are used to call the Lambda expressions. What is the use of this Lambda expressions? Lambda expressions are used to, I am writing LE. LE is used to reduce, to reduce number of, to reduce number of lines code team, to reduce number of lines code. That is, Lambda functions will be simplify simplify the simplify the way of way of writing code team. Simplify the way of writing code, way of writing code by the developers team, writing code by the developers team. Understood right here? So this is what how the Lambda expression, this is what how the functional interfaces. Now this is what how the stream APIs team. Again, first you should learn the Lambda expressions, you should be strong on this Lambda expressions, then you should go for functional interfaces. You should be strong on functional interfaces. Then you should go for stream API team. Then you should go for stream API team. You have to be strong on all these things. Then only you can understand end-to-end JDK8 features team. Otherwise, you cannot understand this end-to-end JDK8 features team. Okay, right? Okay, next one. So let us start now. Okay, start from today. Now here see. First one team. Okay. Now what is here? Okay. First one see. What are the JDK8 benefits? Why JDK8 introduced into the market team? Why JDK8 introduced into the market? If there are so many Java versions are there in market, why JDK8 was so popular? Why JDK8 was so popular? Can you anyone tell how many JDK versions are there till now, team? Can anyone tell how many JDK version till now? Now quickly I will write. First, yeah, JDK beta version is started. No, it was available in 1995. Beta means it is not officially released into the market, just their trial version. It is now officially introduced into 1.0. It was available in Jan 1916. After that it went for JDK 1.1 team. It was started on Feb 1917. After that, now see, like that, we have, so we have 1.2, we have 1.3, we have so many versions are there in JDK. The current version of JDK version is 16, but they have roadmap till 20, till JDK 21 team. But the interesting one is here, so many are there here. The two version is started in December 1918, and three version is started in March, March, 2000, see, March 2004 version was started in Feb 2002, and so on team, and so on. Now the interesting one is here. 5 version is started on 2000, 2014. See, there are no much changes from 1.0 to 1.4, but in 1.5, most of the market, like shaking like anything. Still, most of the projects are using JDK 1.5 only. Here, so many new features was introduced by this Sun microsystem. One is auto boxing, another auto boxing, and unboxing, auto boxing, comma, unboxing. Another one is called collections generics. Another one is called collections generics. Another one is this, okay, thread pool concept, thread pool, comma, okay, concurrency APIs. I'm telling team, see, JDK8 is so much popular in the market. Concurrency, okay, APIs team. So many are their team in this 1.5 team. That's why market is crazy on this 1.5. Most of the projects are using in 1.5 only till as of now. After 1.5, they started introducing concept is called, they use called J2SC. Both are same only. Okay, it was introduced as it was introduced as 1.6 team, 1.6, 7, 8, so many are there. I don't want to talk all, but still, if it is JDK 1.6, when it has started a team, December. See, if you observe here, every 2 years team, every 2 years almost, one new version has been introduced here. JDK 1.7 team, July July 2011 team. Okay, now here like that, if you see here how the market was, crazily, but if you see, even market is using JDK 10, 11, 12 and all, it's fine team, but most of the projects are using JDK 1.8 only team. Most of the projects are using JDK 1.8 only team. Why most of the projects are using JDK 1.8 is our biggest question team. Till now we have seen 8. If it is 8 version, right? March 2014 team. Okay. 9 version, okay, September 2017 team. Just I'm giving awareness how the market is, evaluation it would be happened. Okay. Now March 2018 is the 10th version team. Okay. Now 11th version and all, market is slowly, started using 11th, but don't worry, 80% projects are using 80% projects are using JDK 1.8 only team. 80%, even though you are using JDK 11, 12, 13, but industry, the projects are underlying business logic, all these things, they are writing team still JDK 1.8 only team. Why still they are writing JDK 1.8? Now we'll see. Now practically our goal is, if so many versions are there in the market, if so many versions are there in the market, why industry is still using JDK 1.8? Why industry is still using JDK 1.8 team? That is our goal here. See, you have 14, 15, 16 and so on. How many of the versions are there here? No problem. We don't think too much on this here. 2020, here, 15 is started of September. Last two, I will write here just for awareness, but you don't need to learn all this latest versions team. Okay, trust me, you don't need to learn all this latest versions team. Okay, September. Now last one is 16, March 2021 team. These many versions are there in the market team. already, you know, this okay, Oracle guys is okay, announced like, hey, 17 also it would be okay, available this okay, September team. Okay, 17 also okay, it was came in okay 2021. Now here see now okay 18 March 2022 team. Okay, 18 should come. Sir, okay, how you know okay, all this stuff? If you go for the okay, documentation team, okay, you will be okay, able to know Oracle. Okay, something okay, documentations are there. Okay, you will be okay, able to know team. See, even though these many okay, versions are there in the market, why? JDK 1.8 was so popular team. Why JDK 1.8 was so popular? Most of the projects still running on, still okay, running on JDK 8 team, JDK 8. Now here, okay, if you see, the only okay, region is, what is the date? First region team. See, okay, regions. Why JDK8 so popular? Okay, region 1 team. First region is, I would say that, I would say to simplify, to to simplify, to simplify the programming means that is way of writing code, way of writing code in less number of lines, way of writing code in less number of lines team, less of a number of lines team, less of a number of lines team. So this is very, very, very important team, way of writing code in less number of lines team. How many lines means that all will see okay, practicality. Next one is hardware okay, influence team. What is hardware okay, influence means? Hey, in your laptop or in your desktop, see every hardware. See these days, you know, number one, CPU has CPU CPU has become multi-core team. Multi-core means 4 cores, 3 cores. You know, it is used to improve your okay, application performance, your okay, hardware okay, resources okay, effectively will be used team. See, most of the your laptops and desktops, okay, in your laptop and desktop machines, probably, you know, probability the 4 or more CPU cores are their team. So in our laptop or desktop, more 4 or more 4 or more CPU cores, okay, CPU cores within it. You want to see here, go for your my computers. If you want to see here my PC, go for here. So more option properties. If you see here, you should have team here. How many cores of your processors? All it will be there. It is a 8 GB RAM. Intel. It is a Core i4. How many processors? Your processor is a Intel team i5 processor here. You need to know i5 processor how many CPU cores will come. But you know, from JDK 1 point, before JDK 1.8, before JDK 1.8, majority majority of the Java programs use one of these, only one core team, use only one core team, and other three cores are ideal team. Other three cores are ideal. See, to the main objective of this JDK 1.8 is to enable parallel programming, parallel processing, so that Java programs can run on multi-processors team, multi-processor team to enabled, enabled parallel programming team. Parallel programming, how this parallel programming in depth we are going to see team. Parallel programming or parallel processing, so that Java programs, can run on multi-core processor, on run on multi-processors team. Very important team it is. And the third one is to utilize, to utilize functional programming benefits. Utilize functional programming benefits in Java team. So these three are most popular in JDK8 team, most popular in JDK8. If you use this like a functional programming in Java, what can we do? You can pass the code as a method argument team. We can pass code as a method argument. How to do this argument and all, now we'll see practically team. So if anyone is asking, hey, why we should go for JDK8 features, means benefits, not features. See, one is to simplify the programming, another one is hardware influence, another one is here to utilize the to functional programming in Java. Okay, if anyone will ask, hey, why I should go for, what are the JDK8 futures? Futures is a different team. What are the JDK8 futures? Can you these days most of the interviews are asking, hey, can you explain what are the JDK8 futures? So you should tell, one is Lambda expressions, another one is you should tell, hey, it is functional programming. Another one is you should tell, hey, it is default methods. Another one is you should tell, hey, it is static methods. Another one is you should tell, hey, it is a stream APIs. And the next one is beautiful is optional classes. Next one, beautiful is method resolution operator. The next one is you should tell new date and time API. These are the 8 things you should explain to the interviewer team. Now our first chapter will be started, Lambda expressions team. Lambda expressions. Okay, any doubts team till now? First one we are going to start Lambda expression. What is mean by this Lambda expression is very important team. Please more concentrate on this Lambda expressions team. Please more concentrate on this Lambda expressions team. First one team. Now we'll see what is Lambda expressions. Very important. See team. This Lambda expression was, so it is, Lambda is a calculation change in mathematical world team. It was in 1930 also this Lambda was introduced in mathematics. Because of they are seeing more benefits Lambda in mathematics, okay, they started implementing our programming languages also team. First programming language is Lisp. After that, it was started in C, C++, C#.NET, Scala, now it is Java also team. First one is, okay, it was okay, introduced in, okay, it was, okay, it was, okay, introduced in 1930, okay, and was, and was, and was famous, and was big change in mathematical team, mathematical world. See now here, because of seeing more benefits, okay, because of seeing more benefits with Lambda, people started using in programming languages also. Because of more benefits, Lambda, okay, benefits, okay, Lambda, okay, expression. Team, I can't write, okay, everywhere full name. I would use, okay, LET, because of more benefits with Lambda, okay, expression. Okay, now, so here people started using, okay, started using, okay, okay, programming, okay, languages also team, programming languages also. Understood team? Now, the first programming language is Lisp team. Lisp is the first programming language. Lisp is the first programming language was implemented. Lambda is first programming language team was introduced in market. Lambda expressions team. After that, so many programming languages team. After that, it's already available in, after that, many languages, languages has started, many languages like C, C++, no, Scala, and so on, now Python, and so on team has started using Lambda expressions. Now Java also started team. Now Java also started. Now here see. What is the main goal of this Lambda expressions? The main objective of lambda expression is to get functional interfaces benefit, to get functional interface benefits team. That's it. That much of importance with this functional interfaces team. The main lambda is to get functional interfaces benefits team. So now next one. See how to this. What is this lambda expressions? What is, I would say, with lambda expressions, we can write more readable, maintainable, comma, and conscious code team. Conscious code means write very less number of lines code, very less number of lines code team. Please try to understand. The main objective of this lambda expression is to get functional interfaces benefits. Now here see, next one. What is lambda expression team? First question is, if any of interviews are asking, what is lambda expression? Now you should ask, hey, lambda expression is, it is an anonymous function. Okay, it is an anonymous function. Okay, anonymous means, now we will see. Lambda expression means it is a anonymous function stream. It is an anonymous function. It is an anonymous function. What is mean by anonymous functions means a lambda expression. A lambda expression. It doesn't have name. It doesn't have name team. Okay, next one, B. It doesn't have it doesn't have it doesn't having modifiers. I would explain practically team. C. It doesn't have having return type team. Return type. Please concentrate. Lambda expressions mean anonymous means no name team. Okay, anonymous means no name. Sreenu is no name. Sreenu from Sreenu Tech. Sreenivas from Sreenu Tech is, it's a reference. If it is only Sreenu means who is Sreenu. So that's what. See, if we have a one function team, I will explain without lambda how the function name is there, with lambda how the function name is there. Now we are going to see, okay, practically team. Now okay, you will be able to know what is this, okay, exactly this, okay, lambda, okay, expressions team. Please concentrate. Now here see, now okay, you will be, okay, understanding here. I am writing the code. What kind of code? See here, public int okay, m1 okay, m1 int a comma int b int a comma int b. Now here you should write some business logic here. Int result is equal, okay, a plus b. Now I am, okay, returning this, okay, result team. Very important result team. Now first one is, okay, result, okay, return, okay, result team. Now here see, first one is, what is your lambda expression? You have to know lambda expressions are number 1 point team. It does not have any function name. First point, it does not have any name team. It does not have, it doesn't have name team. If it is doesn't have name means, what is, okay, here output team, you should give same code, public only int int a comma into b a comma into b. Okay, inside of the body you will write your business logic. Now okay, next one team, next one is, it, okay, does not have any modifiers team. Modifiers means, okay, this one team. Modifiers means, okay, this one team. If, okay, does not have any modifiers means, okay, doesn't have modifiers team. Now what will do team? If doesn't have any modifiers means, remove this public. What you will do team? Into a comma into b comma. Now write your business logic team. Now third one team, it does not have any return type also. It, okay, does not have any return type also. It doesn't have having return type. Now what will do? If no return type is there, now here you should go here into a comma into b. You should write here this one team. Write your business logic. Now my whole this lambda is, please concentrate, into a comma into B with arrow, replace with arrow, one arrow. You will write here whatever your business logic, int result is equal to A plus B. Int result is equal to A plus B. See, this whole business logic, I could able to write using this lambda in only one single line team. In only one single line team. Please remember. Now we'll see, okay, big one. Now we'll see all the use cases of this, okay, lambda team. See, you have to know. If you don't know, no problem. You have to practice from, okay, today onwards lambda, okay, expressions team. Because why I should learn this, okay, lambda? All your new frameworks like Spring 5, microservices, everything, the source code was written in lambda expression only, or functional programming only. See now. So now we will start some, okay, exercise team. Okay, with lambda, okay, without lambda, okay, how it works. Now we are going to see, okay, practically team. Okay, with this, okay, you will get complete idea how this, okay, lambda will works team. Now we'll see. Okay, started now. Okay, left hand side with lambda. Okay, right hand side with, okay, okay, without lambda team. Left hand side, okay, without lambda, how it is there here. Okay, without lambda expression here, this side with lambda team, with lambda expression team. Now please, okay, try to understand. Okay, we'll start. Okay, first program team. How the first programming? Okay, number one. Can you write any program? So I want to write, see, okay, class name, okay, you can ignore team. Okay, I'm not writing any class name, public void, okay, M1 team. Generally, after the M1, immediately you have a curly braces would be there. Okay, inside of this curly braces, you are writing any one of the SOP team. I am writing system.out.println team, println Sreenu Tech team. Okay, with lambda, what you are trying to say team here, with lambda, you don't need to write too many. Open this braces, write only one arrow, just to write system.out.println Sreenu Tech team. Understood? Sreenu Tech, that's it. That's it team. System.write.println Sreenu Tech team. Okay, understood? Now please, okay, try to understand. So now here, okay, interesting one is, if the, okay, see, in lambda, this whole is called body team. This whole is called body. Okay, next one, how to write? Just now, okay, we have, okay, written public void add team. Add, I would say, into A comma into B, into A comma into B. You are writing some business logic into, okay, result is equal to A plus B team. If you write this, okay, A plus B, how to write this, okay, lambda, please try to understand. So can you tell braces, braces, braces? Now here you should pass into A comma into B, here start with braces. Okay, start with, okay, braces here. Since you have the business logic, what is the logic? Int result is equal to A plus B, A plus B team, A plus B. Okay, since you have, okay, return statements, right? You will do here, okay, return, okay, result to team. Okay, return, okay, result. Please try to understand. Now we are we will write return result. That's it. How beautiful code you should write using Lambda. Okay, you will be okay, able to know. You will be okay, able to know, team. Okay. Now here we are clear, team. Okay, next one. Okay, what is the next one here? See. Okay, third one, team. Now here, third one. What is the third one, team? Please, okay, concentrate. Third one. Public int get length. Get length. Here string. String, okay, stream here. What is the code here? You know, the code is here. Return. The code is here. The code is here. Return. Return. Case dot length, team. Okay, case dot length. Now using Lambda, you know how to write this okay, Lambda expressions are. Please concentrate. You don't need to write too much of code. String s. String s. Go here. Return. Return. Return s dot. S dot. So okay, it is void, right? Sorry. You are correct, sir. Okay, it is void. Yeah. Return s dot get length, sir. S dot get length, sir. Now we'll see okay practically here. So if you use okay Lambda expression, so now here how simplify you can write your code, team. How okay simplify okay you can write your code, but the points are if your method body only one line statement, if your method body, if the body of your Lambda expression only one statement, then these braces are optional. That means you no need to write this okay, braces, team. Just you should write okay, SOP system.out.println system.out.println. You should use like this, team. Or that's why I give or. Why? I will write here statement if the method, okay, if the Lambda expression body have only one statement, then no need for this braces also, team. No need for this braces. If the body will have more than one statement, then only this okay braces are okay required, team. Then only this braces are okay required, team. Okay, next one, team. Another okay example here. So you no need to pass. Either you can give like this. Okay, I will give all this okay summary points, team. Either okay you should give like this, or simple, team, or you should pass a comma b. You should pass a comma b. A comma b. You should give here okay int. Okay, result is equal to a plus b. Int okay, result is equal to a plus b, team. Means now here see this concept is called type reference. Okay, type reference means you no need to pass your data types here. Your Lambda knows at compile time what is the data you are passing the a and b value. It automatically assigns that data, team. It automatically assigns that data, team. Based on the context of a situation, compiler can guess the type automatically. Okay, compiler can guess automatically, team. This concept is called type of inference, team. This concept is called type of inference. Okay, understand, team? So I will give all these okay, summary points now. Okay, I will give all these okay, summary points now here, team. See how to write this okay, Lambda expressions are a Lambda expression okay, does not have any function name, return type, and modifiers, team. If your body will have only one statement, how to write your simple lambda expression. If your body will have more than one statement, how to write simple this lambda expressions. See now here, if you are, see, either you can pass the data types here, or you don't need to pass this data types here. And okay, next one team, you no need to pass the return type also team. Your lambda expression knows here explicitly you should not pass any return types also here. Lambdas knows at runtime. See, just you should give case dot, case dot, okay, case length team, case dot get length team, case dot get length. Okay, that's it. Case dot length operation. You don't need to pass all this okay argument team. Here also okay, you can pass a case dot length team. Understood team? See how beautiful of your lambda expression. No need for a return type, no need for method name, no need for this return type, no need for this modifiers team. Okay, modifiers team. How to write? See now here, okay, to simplify all these things, what are the characteristics of lambda expression. First one team, first one, a lambda expression can take any number of parameters, any number of parameters. And example, okay, one, okay, it may take 0 arguments, it may take 0 arguments. Just you can give SOP system dot out dot println Sreenu Tech, or it may take you can give 2 arguments. 2 arguments means here, okay, it may take 1 argument. Simple is okay, s dot length, or it may take 2 arguments. N number of arguments you can take it. Okay, it's not a problem team. It may take arguments a comma arguments b comma arguments c you can take, and you can give okay, system dot okay out dot okay println a plus b plus c you can give team. Next one is if summary team. Okay, next one is if multiple parameters present then in lambda expression body, then if multiple parameters are present, then these parameters should separate with comma team, with comma. That means this is team with comma. Okay, now third one, if only one parameter is available, then parentheses are optional. If only one parameter present, then parentheses are optional. In the bracket, this one are optional team, optional. You no need to pass this, means directly okay, you can give case dot length team. Now fourth one team, what is fourth one? Usually fourth one is the concept is called type. The concept is called type. Okay, type. Okay, inference team means what is meant by this? Okay, type. Okay, inference. Usually we should specify the type of the parameter. But using this concept, we don't need to don't need to pass the parameter, pass the data type to the parameter. Okay, compiler 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 okay can take, okay, compiler will take it team. Okay, if you are not pass any parameter, then based on the context based on the context based on the context, okay, compiler can guess the type automatically. Team, you should not pass any, okay, argument here. For example, not only for string, if you give string, okay, s1, if you give string, okay, s2, hey, you should give here concatenation is called, okay, system dot out dot println, you should give, okay, s1 plus s1 plus, okay, s2 team. How it works, you don't need to pass any, okay, arguments here. You should give s1 comma s2. That's it. If two arguments are there, this is parenthesis is mandatory. You should give system dot out dot println. That's it, team. Whenever you are calling this lambda, so if you are passing Sreenu, you are passing 1, 2, 3, it will take care automatically based on your input type. Your lambdas know, your compiler knows what type it is. It will be assigned automatically, team. Okay, next one. If lambda expression method body will have only one statement, then no need curly braces, team, no need curly braces, else we should, okay, else we should use curly braces. That means if you are writing one of lambda, so you are going to write so many statements. Here your business logic is fully with so many statements. That means statement 1, statement 2, so many are there. You should write this curly statement. If your lambda expression only one statement is there, then no need for this curly braces, team. No need for this curly braces, team. Now last one, team. What is the last one? If lambda expression return something, then we can remove the return keyword also, team. We can remove the return keyword also. How to remove the s dot? You don't need to pass, just you will give s dot length, which is equivalent to public int get length, team. Here int get length, team, it is you are passing something string s here return okay s dot length, team. So instead of you will write all this too much code here, just you will write, okay, c colon, okay, s dot length, team. That's it. These are the main characteristics of lambda expression, team. The main goal of this lambda expression is to make J2E application development, to make our functional programming benefits, team. Again, my old diagram. If you know how to write lambda expression, if you know how to write lambda expression, you can easily, okay, call. See, okay, you may ask, sir, I don't have any function name. Okay, how can I call this? Okay, I don't have this function names. Earlier I have a function names I can call easily. Object is equal to new object to dot m1. Object is equal to new object to dot add. But now lambda expression doesn't have any function name, doesn't have any modifier, doesn't have any return type. If modifier is not there, how can I know is it public, is it private, is it protected? If method name is not there, how can I call? That all will be taken care by functional interfaces. All will be taken care by functional interfaces. Functional interfaces are used to call the lambda of expressions. Functional interfaces are used to call the lambda of expression. Hey, how this functional interfaces can call this lambda if lambda doesn't have any function name? That is the million questions we'll talk about. Okay, tomorrow's team, very important team. Functional interfaces, will do some magics. We'll do some magics to call this lambda of expressions, even though lambda of expressions does not have any method name, but functional interfaces have the capability to call this lambda of expressions team. How it is called, we will see in, okay, next class team.